Jason.
Yeah, how are things going with your game so far? Yeah, what are your biggest struggles right now?
Double cross.
Double crossing left.
Yep.
Why don't you grab just an iron and warm up? We'll look at a couple shots. Short game, long game. How are things overall?
Short game, I don't practice.
Okay.
So we can figure that out. That'd be
Yeah, we'll take a look at all of it. How things are going outside of golf?
Ooh, can't complain.
Yeah? Counting the days to the end of the semester?
Oh, yeah.
And a bad looking shot there.
Hopefully.
Okay. So when you're approaching the greens and you're hitting mid irons, say you have 165 yards to the green, what iron are you hitting?
Probably an 8-iron.
Okay. And what short irons are you missing everything left, or is it mainly in the longer ones?
Mainly long irons. Occasionally it comes out. Actually, with the short irons, it's probably more right than anything this wide.
Okay. the chunk pull. There's a couple things I know we can definitely look at. We'll dig into. Okay, so in our full swing, what were we working on as far as your downswing?
Keeping the elbow tucked in.
And what's that going to promote?
Keep me from coming over the top.
Right, exactly. So it's going to help that club face just get a little more square and quit your double crossing. With your pitch shots, I think it's just going to be beneficial to keep your stance square. Your ball flight's looking good. I just think opening your stance is making you hit left. So if you just square that up, I think it's going to work. And then on your chip shots, work on that chipping stroke that I talked about. What I like to do as a really good drill is mark like 4 or 5 feet around the hole and hit 10 shots in a row into that target. If any of them don't make it into the target, then I have to start all over and do them again. So do that a couple times with the new chip shot, get used to it, and see where we're at next week when we meet.
Sounds good.
Awesome. Okay, thanks for being out. Derek, how are we doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good. Good to see you. All warmed up, ready to go.
Sure.
Okay. How was practice the last week or so?
Good. About 300 balls.
Okay. Working on dropping the club on plane.
Yep.
Okay, let's see a couple. See where we're at right now. That looked good. Still starting left, moving left. Good swing though. Did you watch the exciting game yesterday? Not much of a chance there. That was a great shot. How are you feeling about that swing? Do you like that move?
Yeah.
I think it's looking really good. Yeah, I like that. Let's hit a couple pitch shots here. See where we're going and working on the alignment with that. Let's aim right at that 100-yard marker out there. shot looks good. Does it feel good? Peering it off these mats. There it is. That sounded flush. Alright, so we went over a few things today. First thing, using the alignment sticks. That drill, how was that drill helping you?
It was good. It was helping me line up more on target.
Exactly. Yeah.
Get my draws right to left instead of left to left.
Correct. Kind of cutting out that double cross, getting the swing starting out to the right and then moving it back. Yep. And then moving on to the putting green, we had a couple different drills. One of them was from tee to tee, so setting up those 3 tees. I think this one's going to help your speed a lot. If you work with that, just make sure you're going back and make sure you're going the same distance forward. That's really going to help your speed and improve that a little bit. And then just bringing all that out onto the golf course. We saw hitting those pitch shots. I think that's something that, if you get your alignment right on it, your swing looks really good. If you can just get your alignment right and start the ball in the right position, I think it's really going to help. And then getting the speed down your putts. I mean, you have your lines picked out really well. It's just getting that speed nailed down. So if you can do that tee to tee drill, I think it's going to help. And then using the alignment sticks when you're on the range, I think it's going to help as well. So other than that, do you have any further questions? No? Okay. Practice that a few times, and then we'll keep moving forward. Cool. Thanks for being out here.